Hello everyone, this is Pig Money with the monthly update on the Forex bot challenge in the Pig Money Reloaded series. On the first day of 2025, I invested $5,000 and unleashed some algorithmic trading bots to earn passive income. In this video, I will summarize what happened in February, where my balance is compared to my original goals, and what I expect from March. I started the second month of the year being up from my original investment by 8.1%, and I added some funds on top of it to have a nice even balance of $5,500. I closed February with a net gain of a whopping 12.68%, with a final balance of $6,266, which means that I am up more than 25% from my original seed fund. These numbers are absolutely bonkers. I mean, if I take a look at the drawdown that I had to endure, the peak was on February the 3rd with 2.7%, which is basically nothing compared to the gains I had. There was only one important day here, which was the 12th of February. I had a lot of positions open on the Euro-USD pair just in time of a Fed press conference, which made the charts totally volatile as usual. During these events, be it an interest rate decision, meeting minutes publication, or anything on that level of significance, the valuation of the US dollar always gets totally hectic. This time it was serving me right because the price jumped in the perfect direction so that my positions got closed with a massive profit. In a single day, I booked a profit of more than $400. I have to say though that even if this lucky move did not happen, without this whopping $400, the monthly gains would still be more than 6.5%, which is yet again totally crazy. Just to establish a tradition here, I will deposit some additional funds, let's say 234, and have a nice even balance of 6,500 to start the new month with. If I take a look at the individual bot performance, it is easy to see that the sharpshooter did most of the heavy lifting, albeit it was responsible for the $400 single day profit, which is quite extreme. Interestingly enough, even without it, it would have been the top performer, to be followed by the Vigorous and then the Ranger, and of course I must mention this little rodent right here, the Gopher. Quite interesting chart. Unfortunately, I could not figure out a way to extract the same for the month of January, so these figures are the aggregated amounts for the first 2 months. Nonetheless, they show the potential behind each bot quite well. Now let's see how these numbers look like compared to my original plans. I estimated an average of 4.5% of gains every month, with some additional deposits every now and then. Based on that, counting with no stop losses being hit, with optimal conditions, I expected my balance to reach 100% in combined gains by the end of 2025. As at today, on the first day of March, my account is at 6,500, a range that I anticipated to be reached around the end of April. It means that I am roughly 2 months ahead of schedule. With a bit of luck, if the bots manage to pump out similar results, I think it is possible that I will hit the $10,000 goal around August or September this year. Once I reach this milestone, I will rearrange my accounts and decrease the inherent risk by splitting the funds in two, isolating the bots to avoid excess risk on a single account. Alright guys, this was the monthly summary of February. Don't forget that my Forex account is public. You can follow the progress on a daily basis on my FX book. If you feel like you want to join me in this journey, check out the webshop of responsibleforextrading.com. There is a decent discount going on right now for the most comprehensive trading package ever, the Powerhouse. All links are in the description field. Don't hesitate to check them out. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know more about Ryan's bots, or you have any questions regarding Forex brokers and how bots work in general. I read all the comments and I appreciate if you guys are active members of the community. See you in a month's time with the March update. Until then, take care. Big money out.